doing some kind of unique things over the past few months to set this concert up. When we started programming the music for this concert, Mr. Hart and I were working to find new music from up-and-coming composers, and we've done just that. Plus John Williams, he's been around for a little while. But in the meantime, we also had the chance with 3 of the 4 composers, the 4th being John Williams. With 3 of the 4 composers, we had the chance to interact with them and work with them through this process. And so as we go through the performance tonight, we're going to cue up a couple of different video clips for you to gain a little bit of insight that we gained from these experiences. So without further ado, I present to you the Concert and Symphonic Band playing Fireworks by Marvis Rorie Jr. Let's take a look at our experience with Mr. Rorie Jr. Mr. Rorie.
Good morning.
Can you hear us?
Yes,
Awesome. How are you doing today?
I'm doing pretty well.
Very good.
Okay. Each part is either supposed to represent the sound of fireworks actually exploding or twinkling or crackling, and the other parts would be kind of like a Disney fireworks show where you have the music going on in the background. So those are basically the 2 feelings that are trying to represent there.
Would you recommend, like, first of all, with the rattle effects, like putting anyone who has free hands on more rattle sounds there to bring that out more?
Yes, yeah.
And then what about this optional chaos at the end? Would you build that up more or keep that as just the one voice so as to not overpower?
Well, interesting. That would be interesting if you had more than one bass.
Yeah.
That would be really random.
We might play around with that a little bit and see how that works. See how that. If that's okay with you.
That's an idea.
Yeah. All right. Awesome. Well.